Hi friends, welcome back to your channel Travistory Connecting Free Minds. I believe that all of you are staying healthy, fit and fine. Let me start today's blog with a quotation of the famous American marathoner John Bingham. He mentioned, "It isn't a miracle that I finished, but it is a miracle that I had the courage to start." With this quotation itself, you might have realized the content of today's blog. Yes, you are right. Today's content is related to running. I participated in the recently concluded 37th edition of the Eindhoven Marathon in Netherlands, and what a fascinating journey it was. Let me share with you the scintillating experience that I had during the course of this entire journey. So without wasting much time, let's start the blog. We see here people collecting their respective kits from an XP counter. You can easily feel the positive vibe over here. This is my map. Hey Kanan, all good? How are you doing? Good? You are running mini marathon? Oh, okay, good. Best of luck.
You are running the biggest distances besides the mini marathons. One thing, we are here in the Huiskamer. It is a
Ashwini, Vaishali and Arun. So you people are doing it for the first time?
Yeah.
Eindhoven Marathon for the first time.
Yeah.
How excited are you all?
Very much excited.
So what is your feeling like? How it is going to be? How you are expecting this?
We are planning to finish. We both at it. Yeah, I mean,
You are going for 5 kilometer
5
and you are going for 10 kilometer. Okay, best of luck.
thank you. We'll finish.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nu ik gewoon verbuurd. En dan was ik. Oh, cool hè? Ja, het is
Different gossip, blah blah.
Less than 1 kilometer left. Going good? So finally completed 5 kilometer. I believe the timing is better than the previous ones. Let's see when the timing is revealed out. You can see the reporters also over here. What's your name?
Arthur.
Arthur. So is it for the first time that you are participating in?
No, I did this multiple times,
Okay.
and this year I did it for school because I had to. But it was fun.
It was fun. And it is after the corona pandemic, right? Last time there was no marathon.
Yes, it was a pity, but now there's a lot of people and it's fun.
Good.
And it's a lot of people to talk to.
Perfect. Thank you very much. So you participated in this, right? You participated in a marathon. What's your experience? How did you like it?
Good.
Good. So it's after the corona outbreak. This is the first marathon you are doing?
Yes.
Good. What's your name?
Lucas.
Lucas. Okay, bye.
Yes, I will for your YouTube.
So you all participated, right? It's after the corona. This is the first marathon that you are running?
Yes.
How's your experience? How was your experience? Good?
seconds.
It was very nice experience because after 1 year we are back again in Eindhoven for the Eindhoven Marathon. So it's a very nice experience and I can see so many people coming out here.
Yes, especially after the corona
After the
pandemic.
corona, yeah.
Yes.
So
And
still,
you have a great time or?
yeah, it was very nice. I think I did better than the last time. Let's see what when the result comes out.
That's great.
Okay. You got the medal?
First time. First time.
How was your experience?
It was awesome. People are so, they're cheering up. You don't feel like, you don't feel like, stopping. You keep like going.
Good. Nice experience.
Very nice.
I'm Obviously and Yodish Anish, right? So both of you participated in the Eindhoven Marathon 5 kilometer for the first time or this is for your second time?
This was, for me, it was first time.
I was there in Amsterdam Marathon.
Okay, the TCS Amsterdam Marathon. So what's your experience participating and that too after a pandemic, right?
It was good and actually I was so happy seeing a lot of people. And that too they were cheering, they were high-five and it was good and now I
It was very refreshing after
Yeah,
this
correct.
corona period. We felt a bit isolated, but now seeing all these people outside cheering for us, it was very awesome.
What's your name?
My name is Prapan.
And yours?
My name is Kavit.
And this is for the first time you participated in the Eindhoven Marathon?
Yes.
You went for 5k?
Yeah.
How was
first
your
time in 5K.
Oh great. How was your experience?
Good. I never stopped though.
You never stopped. That's
Same
good.
here.
And you?
Same here.
Great. So you are also participating in the next marathon, TCS Amsterdam Marathon?
I have no idea. I am. Definitely.
Okay, great. Then best of luck. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hi friends and amigos, so how was it? Did you experience the joy and excitement of running a marathon? I'm pretty much sure you must have. So please share your feedbacks in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel Travistory Connecting Free Minds. If you had really liked the content of today's blog, please click the like button and share with your near and dear ones. That will surely motivate me to bring more such a content in the near future. And last but not the least, please click the bell icon so that you continue to receive all the latest updates related to my channel. Until then, this is your SG signing off.